Hi guys, we are so happy that you are with us, and right now I will show you how to use GIFs on chats on the Snapchat application, so let's go to the watching. First and foremost, I need to open the Snapchat and go to the chat section here. I will choose some friend from the list, for example this one, and the first way to use GIFs when you want to send a new message for your friend is to add this GIF on Snap. So let's tap on this camera icon on the shutter bottom, and later we need to go to the stickers option here. Later I can use the search, for example bar, to set OK and to use the needful GIF I like from the list, for example this one. Also you can locate it and, for example, turn to the different way I like. Okay, let's send this new snap after tapping on the arrow. Okay, so it was the first way to send a GIF, and the next one you can pick on the sticker packs here and later to tap on the GIF option at the bottom of the screen. We have the whole list of all of the possible GIFs, and you can choose each you want. For example, this one. Ta-da! Remember that after clicking on the selected GIF, it will be in the same time published and added to the chat history. So remember about it, please. And well done! I hope that you will like my video, and I hope that you will like it below. So guys, don't forget about subscription option. And I hope to see you on our channel later. So guys, good luck. Bye bye.